Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a brand new, beautiful, unique virtual fitness layout pack we think you'll enjoy. Virtual fitness is a thriving industry, and fitness companies and instructors deserve an online presence that inspires their audience. And this virtual fitness layout pack delivers. And the page layouts have design that is bold and clean and strikingly colorful. And it even has page layouts dedicated to showcase all of the classes so you can promote your programs and the live and on-demand classes you may have. And also, it has a how it works page, which is a really nice addition. And a whole lot more, so check it out. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new virtual fitness layout pack on your own website. Okay, so all of our pre-made layouts are included within the Divi Builder. So before you can start adding pre-made layouts to your website using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options. Go ahead and click the Updates tab and enter your username and API key and save changes. Once that's done, you'll be able to access all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. Let's start by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and scroll and find the new Virtual Fitness Layout Pack and select it. On the right, you'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack. Go ahead and find the one you want and select it. You can preview it here on the left. And when you're ready, click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, of course, you can make any edits that you want using the Divi Builder. Don't forget to save or publish your page. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. And once all your pages are finished, you're ready to create your new primary menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give your new menu a name and then click Create Menu. On the left, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Go ahead and select all of those and then add them to the menu. You can organize the menu items however you like using the menu structure area. And don't forget to set your display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. And once that's done, you're ready for the final step, which is to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, go ahead and select a static page. And then for the homepage, select your homepage with that corresponding pre-made homepage layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Virtual Fitness Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. Please be sure and give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And make sure you click to get those notifications so that you can get notified every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.